In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out on the PC client step by step so you can log out of your account quickly and safely. Whether you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or just want to make sure you're fully signed out, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and easy way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam PC client on your computer. Once the Steam window is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and find your profile name. This is usually where your account name appears when you are signed in. Go ahead and click your profile name to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, you should see an option that says Log Out of Account. Click on that option. Steam will then display a confirmation box to make sure you really want to sign out. This is a good safety step, especially if you're using a shared device or want to avoid accidentally logging out. In the confirmation box, click Log Out to continue. After you confirm, Steam will close your current session and return you to the main login screen. From there, you can sign back in with another account if needed, or simply leave it at the login page for security. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully signed out on the PC client in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.